Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. Sorry, this video is just a little late. I was traveling, so I didn't get to put up my normal weekend video. But I was traveling back from Gatlinburg, Tennessee. And you probably saw everybody's videos already, but I have a little bit extra that you guys didn't see. So it was just wonderful. We got there and had to kind of check into our place and get stuff situated. And then we went downtown to meet up with everybody. And I, believe it or not, am an extreme introvert. Once I get to know somebody, then I'll talk like crazy.
You can't shut her up.
Right. But otherwise, I am very, very introverted, which is probably why me and my husband get along so well, because he's extremely extroverted. I'm
very shy.
Right. No. And otherwise, I never probably would have approached him or anything like that. But so it was very funny to go down there. I had like no trepidation with meeting anybody, and I wasn't quite sure why. And then I got there and we just all hugged, and it was wonderful. And it was like just being with old friends. I mean, Winnie and Devin and Eva and Kelly and Ed and Bill had all already kind of gotten to know each other, so to speak, because they had met up the day before. And they were staying together and everything. And but I felt like I had been along the whole time. There was just no awkwardness. They were my buddies. They were my good friends as soon as I got there. And it was wonderful. Kelly was the one I was the least familiar with. That was Ed's sister. I sat next to her. She was awesome. Just talked to me like she knew me forever. Showed me her awesome Coach purse, and I was hoping she would show her zipper during Ed's video, and she did. So I was really excited about that. I'm kind of jumping into this collab, even though I kind of wasn't part of it, but I am, because I went to the same places to shop just a day later than they did. And it's really funny because none of us bought the same thing, which I think is really neat. Like those guys knew what each other had bought, but I didn't know what they had bought. Excuse me, and there's no way they could know what I bought because I bought it the next day. But so I'm gonna go over what I bought. I also then I was so excited because I actually we met up on Saturday, and on Monday I was able to meet Kevin Allen, and I was just beyond thrilled. So at the end of this video, I'm going to put in all the pictures that I have. Some are duplicates of what you've seen before because we have shared everything. Excuse me, except for my pictures with Kevin. He wasn't able to make it to the meetup. His husband wasn't doing very well, so he's sick. I believe he's on the mend now. Hope so. And but I was able to meet up with him later, and it was wonderful. I just couldn't stop hugging him. He was just like the sweetest guy ever. And me and Mick went, and it was awesome. I tried not to tell Bill anything when we did the whole meetup, but Winnie, I'm sorry if I did. And no, it was wonderful. It was wonderful. It was a fantastic experience. I'm so glad I got to meet everybody. They're awesome. That's what I can say about that. What you see is what you get. I mean, they are on their videos just like they are in person. Winnie's a hoot. Ed and Kelly, man, I can't stop laughing. Eva's just the sweetest girl, and Devin's just, he's a sweetheart, and Kevin's just, I mean, I know, I'm glowing. It was fantastic. So, anyways, now to get back to what I got. I picked up just a few things. I first went into Coach, so we'll go into what I got there. And I got just a few things. I just love these little pochettes. So I got Mickey and Minnie on here. It's just a pebbled leather. And they were having a deal. So like this was, yeah, like I'm going to be able to read this. $180 maybe?
You want to give it to the cameraman?
Yeah, let's do that. He's going to tell us how much they were.
Sorry, I'm trying to videotape as well. It's $118 is the regular price.
So then it was 50% off of that, and then we got another 20% off of that if we bought more than one thing. And of course I did. And I was so excited because one of my sons got a little pochette too. I can't show it to you, but it's so cute. It had Mickey all over it, and it's like the jacquard Coach canvas. Oh, it's so cute. But I got this, and then I got this card holder, which this one isn't like a well, I guess it's Christmas themed somewhat, or winter theme. He's got ice skates on, but it's just a little red card holder with a spot in the back. Maybe the price is in here, but I don't know. Okay. It wasn't it was a great price. Let's just put it that way. And then the last thing that I got was oh, actually, I apologize. I got another pochette, but that's this is for my son. So you're gonna get to see this one again. This is for him. So okay, I'll just put that back. So those are the pochettes I got. I went to Tory Burch, and like Winnie said, there had been a line. When I got there, I was able to walk right in. Nothing moved me. I've tried to buy Tory Burch a number of times, and I just can't find anything that works for me in her styles. I think that's a she. And so I didn't get anything, but I did find some stuff from Kate Spade. They gave me this absolutely huge bag, which was nice, but it's big. So put some wrapping paper in here. Guess I'll show you the smallest thing first. I just thought these were so cute. I had to get them. I got some jewelry. It's just some earrings, and there are these. They come in their own nice little dust bag. They're just these little bows, and they're in rose gold.
No Lukes?
No Lukes. Not Bo and Luke, just bows. And these two, let's see, I'll have the cameraman tell me what the price is. Or just show you. He can look.
$49.99.
$49.99, and I believe these were 60% off. So I got those. And then...
$20.
What?
I just told them the price.
Then I almost got... it was really funny. I almost got the... well, it's funny on two things. I almost got the same bag that Eva got. The little gingerbread house, but I didn't. And at the last minute, I saw something else I liked that I got that I thought was wintry and beautiful from there. It's the same thing with, it's funny, when I went to Tory Burch, there was only one bag that I was kind of interested in, and that was like that patchwork quilt one that Eva got, but I was thinking the one they had was too small, and it looks like she had bought the size biggers, but I just thought that was funny that we had the same taste with that. But what the winter item I got from Kate Spade was this. It is just this really cute little winter scene. And then it's got the spots for cards. And then this butter zipper inside spot. So
not margarine?
No. Just this little pochette. I just think it's adorable. I got that. And, oh, I know why this was bigger. I got my son a computer cover with Belle from Disney. All right, let's see. Then what did I find here? Okay, next I got in the glitter boxes. Can you guess what it is? Oh. This gold glitter card holder. There's the back. These were $29. Do they sparkle?
They do quite a bit.
So I got the gold one.
I'm sensing a theme here.
I think that's a premonition. But then it was hard to decide. So I decided, why decide?
When you can have green as well.
Green as well, because that's my favorite color.
We're going to have sparkles all over the house.
There's that. No, they're going to stay on there.
Okay.
And then, like I said, I couldn't really decide.
Oh, Lord.
So the other one I couldn't decide about.
What sparkle shade is this? Oh,
Silver.
silver.
So I did show some restraint in my defense.
When and where?
There was also a pink that was almost this color, but not quite.
Lord.
And I didn't get the pink.
Why? Because it wasn't Christmassy?
No, because I didn't like the shade of pink that it was.
Otherwise, I would have come home with you.
So, those are the things that I bought
Holy
from
moly.
Kate Spade and Coach. So yeah, I really had a great time. I'd highly recommend the Smoky Mountains. I'd highly recommend meeting up with everybody. And I just want to tell you that, yeah, everybody was just like they are in their videos. You hear some of these horror stories lately about some of these content creators, and them not being what they appear to be. But no, they were wonderful. I look forward to seeing them again and meeting other creators and know that I have new friends. And it was wonderful. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. That would be awesome. Leave a comment in the comments down below. I absolutely love interacting with everybody down below. It helps me get to know you a little bit better. If you don't have a channel, that I still kind of feel like I get to know you when you leave comments for me. So I really appreciate that. You can find me over on James Jam if you over on Instagram already. If you haven't already, I'm James Jam over there. It's JAME_jam. No, _S_jam.
Were you on vacation?
Right, yeah. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
And Bill, it was nice chatting with you.
And then here's some pictures.
Bye.